Hi, I'm Miranda with Center for Rural Affairs, and today I'm going to show you how to use the Serger. Here we are at the Serger. This machine is different than a sewing machine. The Serger does not have a reverse stitch. You can only stitch going forward. As you sew, it cuts the fabric and reinforces your seams, making your stitch stronger. Using your foot pedal, you'll control the speed of your stitch. So when starting, make sure your foot is up using the lever on the side. Using the dial, turn it to raise your needle. Line up your fabric edges. Place your fabric underneath the foot, lining it up to the side. Put your foot down. Pressing on your pedal, push down and guide your material through. As it goes through, it is going to create a seam and cut the fabric and leave you a scrap. Once your material has gone all the way through, keep pushing down to leave a little tail. Using your fabric scissors, cut that. Now you have a nice reinforced edge.